Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I am going to do another smoky eye. I think a lot of people have done like old school smoky eyes in a while. So, and the palette that's going to be featured today for the smoky is the Moroccan Spice palette because we are about to get spicy as fuck. So, without further ado, I am going to do a smoky look and we are going to get right into it. Thank you. First things first, I am going to prep my eyes with the Pro Filter thingy eyeshadow primer. God. Like I said before, my new favorite eyeshadow primer because it is freaking phenomenal. My all-time favorite though is Urban Decay. And actually NYX's white eyeshadow base is also my other favorite. So, we're just gonna blend that out. Blend. And then I am going to choose two colors from the palette. I don't even know if this color combination is going to work, but I was just thinking about it and I was like, it would be really cool to do it. So, going to just add a little bit more. And then let's do a little bit right down here too, just so we could get right in there. And this eyeshadow I freaking love because it is very tacky, and it really helps the eyeshadow to really stick and stay in place, which is really good. Perfect. Alright, we'll be right back. Alright, so first color I'm going in with is going to be Fez Up. Don't look at my mess. Don't judge me. Definitely doing a purple. And if you know me, like none of you people really do, I actually love color. I hate neutrals. I love blues, purples, pinks, the fuchsias. Anything that is really gonna pop my brown eyes, I freaking love a lot more. So just pat it on up to the crease. Just like that. And then going in with a fluffy, the little fluffer. Just gonna blend it out. So, creating a really good classic smoky eye, it's all about literally layering and then blending. Layering and then blending. And then I am actually going to bring it out just a little bit to that right here, because I want to open up my eyes a little bit more, give the illusion that they are lifted. Perfect. So yeah, blending and then layering. So these eyeshadows are highly pigmented, which I love. How can you not? So we're doing like a smoky, sultry plum, and then blending. Perfect. So that is all it really is about. Blending and layering. Perfect. Just bringing it out. There. What you know about this, Willis? Then going back in with Fez Up. Fez Up. Wind it up. And then bringing that down here as well. And there comes Luna. You want to play with makeup, baby girl? Huh? I think it would be considered ammo cruelty if I did. And just blending. So, there we go. Getting that smoky smoker sin. Getting a little fez up with your fezziness. That's so fun too. So, there we go. 3 minutes of me just blending it back and forth, and the camera moved. Perfect. I actually really should do a shoot with this. This is actually gorgeous color. Now, perfect. Alright, so let me go and finish the other side, and I'll be right back with you. Alright, so there we go. Fez up. Now I am going to go ahead and rim my eyes with freaking, well, that would be talent, wouldn't it? Urban Decay's Black Heart. I believe I said that. Just on the waterline. So it's more of a purple with like little red reflex in there. Dark purple with like oh gosh, pink reflexes, whatever, glitter sparkles, spectacles, whatever. You know, you get what I'm saying. So this is coming out a lot better than I expected. There we go. Ooh. Now, going back in with Z palette and going in with Casablanca, which is this guy right here. Using my fingers. Oh, God, yes. Oh. So, there we go. Ooh. Talk about killing me softly. Girl. Oh, this would have been a gorgeous New Year's Eve look. Man. New Year's Eve 2019, I'm coming for you. Ooh. Look at that. Bam. And I'm going to go back in with a little bit more fez up. Smoke it out. Oh, whew. Perfect. Man. Oh, ooh. I'm feeling myself right now. All right, so mascara, Maneater, Tarte. There we go. Again, this really helps to coat my tiny baby lashes, my Native American lashes, which is like barely none. I'm not a big fan of doing false lashes with every single look I do or a wing liner, because I like to give I like to put more focus on my actual eyeshadow and stuff like that. Plus, being with my hooded eyes, the moment I put those on, it's going to hide everything I just did. So we're going way old school of just using what your mama gave you. A few coats of that. Perfect. I am really enjoying the way this came out. It's coming out a lot better than I expected. Damn. There we go. Whew. Okay. Alright. Alright. Now, on to the face. So I'm going to do a little contour. Slight contour. Going in with the rock. And I'm going in with the deep contour. So this is more for an evening look. So for my contour, I'm literally going right on my cheekbone, but just keeping it way, way, way back there. There we go. Whew. Oh yeah, my face is already done. Already did my face. But we're just doing a tutorial on smoky eye. So, just by doing that, it really popped out my cheekbones even more. Next, I am going to go in with NARS Blush Orgasm. Actually, you know what? Wait. Hold that thought. Hold that thought. I am going to go in with 1995 blusher lipstick by Pat McGrath. Same trick that I did last time. Get it on the brush, and just there we go. Bam. Bam. 1995 was a good year. Don't remember it, but it was a good year. So just keeping the blush very natural. Add a little bit more to really even out, because I'm using that for lipstick too. Perfect. So I like to bring the blush onto my temples sometimes, especially with my hair pulled back. I just want everything to be a lot more seamless and like it goes together. Let's wipe that off on my shirt. So there we go. And then I'm gonna go back on top with Hourglass Luminous Light for my under eye area, just to brighten. And to give my under eye a little bit more of a luminous glow, so because this helps to reflect light. So say if you were going to go on a date and you were in a candlelit setting or anything, it's really good to brighten up the eye area. See? Last but not least, Hmm. 1995. And last but not least, blush. NARS Orgasm. It's right here. Perfect. There we go. It's just such a damn good look. I'm gonna recreate this and do a shoot, because this is, whoo, girl. Alright, so just there. And we are all done with the smoky. Smokerson. Sorry, my freaking legs are falling asleep. Whoo, okay. Oh. Let life come back to my legs. Alright, so actually, let me go into a little bit of bronzer. Inglot and number 72. I know what number it is this time because I just looked on the video while I was editing. And I'm just going to add this to my temples. There we go. So, easy, sultry, smoky eye. Oh my gosh, my legs. Whew. I have to sit up straight for this one. There you guys go. So I am ready for an evening out. And there you go. And by doing this, like, it just really feminizes my face. I have predominant cheekbones, so I don't have to do that much. And yeah, there you guys go. So another smoky eye. This is Gorgeous. And 1995. So I approve. Smoky eye, like I said, try to keep it 1 to 2 eyeshadows and just 2 products. I probably would have used the Dark Horse or the Black Heart as an all-over eyeshadow base and just blend that out and then tap the purple Fez up on top of it, or I could have just gone in with Casablanca. So there you guys go. And that is my laundry being done. Look at me, I'm a man and I am multitasking. Whew. So there you guys go. Pretty easy, easy peasy, and I'm really digging this look. It's been a while since I put eyeliner in my eyes. Oh gosh, alright, so there you go. So hope you guys learned something, another smoky tutorial. I'll probably do a series of smokies just to keep the ball rolling, and nobody's really done anything like that for a while. Like strictly smoky using palettes you already have. I'll be using palettes that I already have that are my favorite palettes, my staple palettes. We'll do, yeah, smoky eyes. So hope you guys learn. Look at that. Okay, enough feeling myself. Have a great day, have a great night, have a good new year. I'll see you guys next video. Bye.